Welcome to the hidden world of the Froghopper, nature's most extraordinary athlete.
Today, we uncover the secrets of the Froghopper, the highest jumper on Earth relative to its size.
Pound for pound, no other creature can match the Froghopper's incredible leaping power. They achieve astonishing heights, jumping hundreds of times their own body length.
Imagine a human leaping over a skyscraper. That's the Froghopper's equivalent feat.
Their secret lies in a unique biological spring mechanism, storing and releasing energy.
These legs are built for explosive propulsion, a marvel of natural engineering.
Reaching speeds of over 10 feet per second, their jumps are truly breathtaking.
But the Froghopper's story isn't just about jumping. It's about a fascinating life cycle.
Adult froghoppers are primarily herbivores, feeding on plant sap.
Their journey begins as tiny eggs, often hidden within plant tissue.
From these eggs hatches the Froghopper nymph, commonly known as a spittlebug.
This is where the magic, or rather, the science of the spittle begins.
Observe this remarkable foam. It's not dew, but a self-made sanctuary.
The spittlebug nymph lives its entire immature life encased within this frothy fortress.
It produces this foam by ingesting plant sap and mixing it with air and a special secretion.
Each bubble is meticulously formed, creating an effective protective barrier.
This frothy home serves multiple vital purposes for the vulnerable nymph.
Firstly, it's a brilliant camouflage, making the spittlebug invisible to predators.
Birds, spiders, and other insects often overlook the unappealing foam.
Many predators find the sticky, bubbly texture unpleasant, deterring attack.
Secondly, the spittle provides crucial protection from environmental extremes.
It acts as insulation, shielding the delicate Froghopper nymph from dehydration and heat.
The foam maintains a consistently moist microclimate, essential for the nymph's survival.
The Froghopper nymph lives protected within this foamy spittle, slowly extending its proboscis to feed on the plant's sap. The spittlebug draws nutrients directly from its host plant, fueling its growth.
Multiple Froghopper nymphs can sometimes share a single plant, each with its own foam.
In some areas, these spittle masses can be incredibly abundant on vegetation.
The nymph undergoes several molts within its foamy home, growing with each stage.
Each molt brings it closer to its final transformation into an adult Froghopper.
It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, a simple solution for complex survival challenges.
Protected and nourished, the Froghopper nymph develops, unseen by the casual observer.
As the nymph matures, its spittle may become less dense, signaling an approaching change.
The developing wing pads are clear indicators of its impending metamorphosis.
Eventually, the spittle dries, and the Froghopper nymph prepares for its grand exit.
Leaving its protective foam, the Froghopper nymph is now ready for its final molt.
This crucial moment marks its transition from a sedentary spittlebug to a free-flying adult.
The adult Froghopper unfurls its new wings, ready to explore the world above.
Its incredible jumping abilities are now fully developed, awaiting their first test.
From foam-dwelling nymph to world-class jumper, the froghopper's life is truly exceptional. The froghopper's jump isn't just impressive, it's a marvel of biomechanical engineering.
How do they achieve such explosive power? It's all about energy storage and rapid release.
Imagine a tiny spring mechanism. The froghopper loads its leg muscles, accumulating immense potential energy.
This energy isn't released immediately. It's held under tension, waiting for the perfect moment.
When the signal comes, a specialized latch releases. The stored energy converts into kinetic force instantly.
The acceleration is incredible, reaching speeds of over 13,000 feet per second squared.
This makes them one of the fastest accelerating creatures on Earth, relative to their size.
If a human could jump like a froghopper, we'd clear skyscrapers with ease.
It's a testament to the efficiency of natural selection, perfecting a vital survival mechanism.
The landing is almost as precise as the launch. They can reorient their bodies mid-air.
This precision allows them to escape predators and find new feeding grounds.
Their legs possess specialized structures, like a catapult for maximum force transfer.
It's a powerful tool for survival in a world full of hungry mouths.
Predators like birds and spiders often find themselves outmaneuvered.
Their agility is key to their success in the plant canopy.
Before they become jumpers, froghoppers start life as nymphs, hidden within a foamy spittle.
This cuckoo spit protects the vulnerable nymphs from predators and desiccation.
Once mature, they shed their nymphal skin, ready to unleash their incredible jumping power.
These tiny creatures are ubiquitous, a hidden force in almost every meadow and garden.
Their impact on ecosystems is significant, both as herbivores and as a food source.
Beyond their jumps, froghoppers exhibit fascinating behaviors, maintaining their delicate sensory organs.
They are a reminder that even the smallest creatures hold grand secrets to survival.
The froghopper, a tiny titan, master of the jump, an enduring marvel of nature.
Their story is far from over, continually inspiring us to look closer at the world beneath our feet.
And so, the froghopper continues its silent, powerful journey.